up that damn couch. We had that damn couch for 20 years. Should have kept the plastic on it. And this one, Snoop Doggy Dog. You need to get a jobby job.
Boy, take care of the house while I'm gone. Clean up your room. Take out the garbage. I don't want these fast-hair girls up in here. You hear me? And definitely don't let the dogs pound up in here. I mean that.
And don't be messing with the 8-track. Loan me $5.
So much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop Dogg G, but I somehow, someway keep coming up with funky ass hits like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got some freaks in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But for what? We don't love them now. Yeah. So we gon' blow an ounce to this. G's up, freeze up for a second now, bounce to this. Rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. I got me some secret gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now these types of things happen all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. See, everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get the Mac into this trick named Sadie. She used to be my homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that trick, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these. That E. As I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze. Say you know I'm just rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang of Tangeray and a fat ass J of some bubonic tick that made me choke. This ain't no joke, I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and ET, I'm toe down now, but it ain't no stopping, cause I'm still popping. And Dre got some tricks from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top, cause when I get through, I got to hit the dope spot. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love them, no, I'm out the dope, and I'll be.
I didn't want to go over Gertrude's house any damn way.
You ain't got to worry about that because I ain't taking you nowhere with me.
JB was over there.
What JB got to do with you?
Too damn
Oh, man, I ain't got nothing. Don't talk so loud. Look at you done missed the sign, man.
I know where we live at. We've been living there for 27 years.
Change your passion.
Him and that dog pound. That's what it is. Him and them damn dog pound. Want everybody out of the damn house. I want the house clear. Everybody out here. You better get on out of here. You too, get on out of here. I want everybody out. That's right, everybody out. That's right, this is my house. Oh, you're showing my TV. Everybody out. You don't hear me, though. Everybody out. That's right. Snoop Dogg, where you at, boy? Everybody out.